done. Sources inform ET Now that Reliance Industries is working with two investment banks on preparations for the IPO of its telecom unit Jio Platforms, and DRHP filing is expected in the next 2 to 3 months. Anurag Joshi is joining us with the details.
Reliance Industries is working with two investment banks on preparations for Jio Platforms IPO, which is likely to be the biggest ever initial public offering from India so far. Kotak Mahindra Capital and Morgan Stanley have started working on the Jio Platforms IPO, and the hiring of banks and the process of filing the draft equity document with the Securities and Exchange Board of India and the stock exchanges could happen over a period of the next 3 months. So the next 3 months will be very crucial for this IPO. Now, the early indications show that the valuation for Jio Platforms could be at least $160 billion, and RIL will formally hire banks to manage the IPO. This IPO, when it happens, it will be the biggest ever primary equity raise. In fact, RIL chairman Mukesh Ambani said in August that the group is aiming to list Jio by June this year. And the planned Jio Platforms IPO will meet the threshold of the new minimum public offer norms of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. So the size of the IPO is being pegged in the range of $4 billion to $6 billion. Looking at the pre-IPO market cap of the company, the valuation of the company. In fact, in 2024, Hyundai had raised $3.3 billion through its IPO, which until now is the biggest ever IPO in India. If you see the revenues of Jio Platforms, it was 36,000 crores in the Q2 of FY26, and the EBITDA margin of about 52%.
All right, moving on from the IPOs for the Jio Platform.